Hello guys, I welcome you back to this YouTube channel. This is Favor and I'm back again with another wonderful opportunity for you to start trading forex, alright, without having to deposit money of your own. I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. So make sure you follow me closely to the end of this video so that you can know how you can get this bonus and also know the terms and conditions attached to getting this wonderful opportunity. So if this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have done that, I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also comment the country where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this wonderful opportunity. Alright, so the link to get this bonus will be in the description menu. Right, I'll be getting a lot of questions as where can I get a link to the bonus, so the link to get this bonus will be in the description menu. In the description menu, click on the link and it's going to take you to where you're going to get this bonus. All right, so the first thing after getting to this website is to register. All right, click on register right here, click on register and you wait for it to load, and you input your name, email address, your country, and all. As you can see right here, you have to, and also you have to answer this question 38 plus 11, and you have to click on I have read and accepted the privacy policy. Right, so you know the drill. Let me do this real quick and get back to the video. Alright, so after doing all of that, all you just have to do is to click on create account. As you can see, I've clicked on it and you see what it brought. Your account has been registered successfully. Verification link has been sent to your registered email. Please verify your email. So the next thing for us to do right now is to go straight to our email, right, to check for the message they sent and verify the email address. Right, so all you just have to do is to click on OK and go straight to your Gmail app. Alright, so let's do that very quickly. Alright, so this is the email I got from them. So all you just have to do is to click on this, click here to verify your email. Alright, as you can see, click here to verify your email, and I'll do that just now. I've clicked on it, so I will wait for it to load. Now as you can see, it is loading. Your email has been verified successfully. Click here to log in. So you click here to log in and you log into your account. Alright, so we are in. Alright, so now the next step for us to do right now is to verify our ID. Alright, so that's the next step for us to do. Alright, so after logging in, all you just have to do is to click on complete details right here. Just click on complete details and you have to input your address, city, postal code, your date of birth. Alright, so let me do this very quickly and get back to the video. Alright, so I have done that already. My registration has been completed successfully. So the next thing for us to do right now is to verify our account. Alright, so now as you can see here, just click on verify account right here at the top. Click on verify account and you upload your proof of identification. Is that you can use passport, driver's license, national ID card, and upload your proof of address, which is your bank statement or utility bill. Alright, so after uploading it, then you click on upload. So they are going to verify you in few minutes. Alright, so I'll do this very quickly and get back to the video. Alright, so as you can see, it is saying please upload correct file format. Alright, so there's no need for you to panic. All you just have to do is to message their support. Alright, so I'll be dropping the contact to their support on my Telegram channel. Alright, so the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description. Click on it and it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, you find the contact to their support right there. Just message their support, and what you tell them I'll be showing you right now in just a minute. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and comment the country where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Alright, so let me show you what you are going to send to their support. Alright, so this is the message you are going to send to their support. Alright, as you can see on the screen, and after sending this message to their support, in few minutes you'll be verified, and after verification then we can now proceed to getting the bonus. Alright, so after your account has been verified, move to their home page again and click on my account right here. click on my account, and you have to create an account. You click on open live account. All right, click on open live account, and after that you can either create an account with MT4 account or MT5 account. So I'm going with MT5 account, so I'll click on MT5 account, and after that you click on $30 no deposit bonus right here. Click on it, and then you scroll down and you select your leverage, select the highest, which is 1:500, and the currency is USD. All right, and then you click on proceed. So after that, you see it says you've already claimed the offer account. So I have already done mine, so what's left for you now is to do yours. So after clicking on proceed, and it's going to bring that you've gotten your bonus successfully. So they are going to send a details to your email. All right, let me show you the details I got from them. So this is what I got from them. This is my account login details to log into my MetaTrader 5. So this is the details. So now what's left for you is to copy the account, the ID and your trader's password, and go and log into your MT5. And after logging to your MT5, this is what the account is going to look like. Alright, so this is what the account is going to look like, and you can start trading. Alright, so don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment the country where you are watching from. And if you have done that, I appreciate you a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a nice day.